Buenos dias, compas. All right. So, of course, PPI came in lower than expected. All right. It's exactly what we've been saying. All right. What is the result of that? We've seen VIX come down, currently looking like it's about to make another move. Okay. It can shoot up, it can shoot down, but I like where it's going right now with it. So I think we might see a move down. Market just opened up about like an hour ago, giving it time to do what it has to do. Remember, the first 30 minutes are like 2 hours manipulation. Okay. So we've seen a pullback in the market right now, but just like yesterday when data dropped, was that yesterday? Yeah, look at that. Shot all the way down, recovered, and then continued to move back up to the upside. Okay. Um, Beautiful, beautiful head and shoulders. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better structure, right? I've been screaming at this at the top of my lungs in the key market updates. Okay, so I like the way that the market is shaped right now. Wicks do the damages, bodies tell the stories. All right, so I mean, look at that wick right there, devastating. Another wick, devastating, devastating over here, devastating, devastating. And if you look at these bodies, okay, devastating. Even this red candle, just devastating. Red candle, devastating. But the green candles, just as well. All right, these bullish candles are looking good. All right, I like the bullish candle. I like the strong buying. I like that buyers are showing up when they need to show up. They are showing up when they need to show up. It's a matter of who's going to get exhausted first now at this point. All right, so bears and bulls, we're going back and forth. All right, if I need to, I'll switch hats, I'll jump sides. But right now, I really do like where Bulls are at right now. Okay. Showing a lot of strength right now. Okay. Especially in this area with no liquidity. This is why we're going back and forth. All right. We're just, there's just no, there was, let me rephrase that. There was no liquidity in this area. All right. That's what we were lacking. Okay. And it's to no surprise that this is exactly what we're battling right now. Okay. Let me throw that on real quick. Boom. Okay. It's no surprise that this is our big battle area. Okay. This is what we're fighting right now. Okay. Market is trying to determine what we're going to do. Look, just drew that out. Just drew that out for y'all. Okay. So, y'all expect consolidation, expect volatility, quick drops, quick pops, like I've been saying. Okay. The chart's been reading it, the data's been yelling it. Let's be real here. All right. Let's be real with ourselves. Okay. So, I want to see, like we said, okay, we'll probably get a slow build up. I want to see how today ends going into tomorrow, especially with initial jobless claims. If that comes in good, then I think we get that mount, slowly start to continue pushing up, and then I think if the Michigan consumer sentiment report comes in good, I believe we come up here to 35, 520. Okay, I think it's looking good, even though we're having a little bit of red today. Hey, you can have your ups and your downs. So not everything goes according to plan, but so far I like what the market is displaying right now. It's displaying strength. All right, that's just what it's giving. It's given a lot of support right now, as the youngin saying. It's giving. Okay, so we're not losing this area. Okay, we're not creating lower lows no more, or higher lows. We're showing consolidation. This is exactly what you want, especially after a huge move up that we've seen inside of the market. Okay, I mean, after a move like that, you want the market to move sideways. You want to see consolidation. You want to see support, so that way we can move up to the next leg. Okay, that's what makes it so structural. Okay, so I love it, especially with data dropping, PPI coming in lower as expected. We see a pullback in the 10-year treasury note. Okay. Another thing, that's what you want. All right. That's exactly what you want. You want it to fail 4.57 or 4.57, 4.57. Gee, I don't know why I got to just say numbers like that. All right. It's probably because my mind is just racing too fast sometimes. All right. But you want to get a rejection right here at 4.57. All right, sounding real literate right now. But as you can see, the EMAs, they're starting to tighten. They're starting to trail tighter and tighter. All right. There's compression being built. It could either just skyrocket through the roof or it could tank. All right. And we really want to see it come back down to 4.42. Okay. This level right here. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I want to see. Right now, I will not lie. It's looking bullish right now. Okay. And that's not what we want right now. You shoot up, you move down, you shoot up, you move down. But if we reject here and we begin to pull back, we no longer have a bullish structure. You know what I'm saying? So we no longer have this narrative of us getting healthy pullbacks, right? Because from here it's supposed to shoot up even higher, and then we go lower, and then so on and so forth. All right, but that's not if we reject here at this level, which is a very crucial level. All right, we shoot up, reject, shoot up, reject, boom, and we come lower, we get a short term. I don't want to say bullish run. Okay, that's reach. Definitely not going to be a bullish run, but we definitely we get a push in the market. All right, Bank of America's index options spread still sitting at 6.29, still on trail to the downside, has not broken trend, but this is also condensing. This is tightening. It's trailing really tight. So right now, I think things are heating up. Okay, things are heating up inside the market. You want to be on the lookout. Like I said, I base a lot of my trades based solely entirely on what the market is displaying. Okay, so right now I'm seeing a lot of strength. Okay, Nvidia getting a pullback, but I mean no big surprise as to the trend. The trend line is catching up. Expect consolidation or expect a pullback. So follow it. I mean, as you can see, look at that. We flip trend. We find support. This is a 4 hour. Need I remind you? This is a 4 hour. We find support here at the 50 SMA, at the trend line. Return back to the trend line. Boom. We shoot up. Strong buying. Wicks do the damages. Got a lot of shorts out of the positions. Now we're here back at 210.85. Okay. We're looking to pretty much come back up here to. Let's do this guy right here, right? Oh, beautiful. I like this better. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Directly at the wicks. Okay. So, I mean, come on. All right. So, this is a level that we need to mount in order for us to become bullish. I like what I'm seeing. I'm like how it's shaping up. Getting that retest right now. This could even serve as a retest right here over to the left. Okay. But I like valid retests. Okay. I like to see a strong retest. So, get a red candle, get a strong red candle where people do get scared. After that, we start to see some movement. Then I like it up to the upside. Okay, this is the kind of retest that I do like. Okay, boom. Okay, we get above 214.01. We've now broken out of this lower low or lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. Okay, now we're starting to break formation. Okay, the fact that we came up here, I love it. Okay. Because if this was going to be a lower high, it'd be right here. But now we're returning to our previous high. Okay. If we could break that structure, continue moving up, I like it. Okay. It's creating a different narrative now. Okay. Now we already got the pullback, right? We already got to the neckline right here. Okay. Of this head and shoulders. Okay. This I've had up for the longest time. All right. So now we can kind of get rid of this. Actually, we'll keep it up. Okay. Still, just in case. You never know. It can return. Structures aren't validated all the time. Okay. So if we reject here at 210, if really, in all reality, if we lose 202.84, that's where the 50 SMA is, then just getting completely nuked. I think NVIDIA just gets nuked at that point. Okay. That'll dictate a lot of the market right now. What else did we throw out there? Google. I want to see what Google is on right now. Google is at 366.90. Ah, boy. What's up? What's up? Please tell me I threw that out inside the Discord, man. Let me see if I threw that out. I'm pretty sure I did a Google's call, right? Oh my. I'm money. I'm money with this. Beautiful. That's the kind of buy that you want. That's the type of buying that you want going on right now, my guy. Read the market, read the room, understand the data, execute the plays, walk out with a bag. Simple as that, baby. That's what you get out here at Desert Star Investments, man. Come on, son. I love making y'all money, man. I love making y'all money. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. What do we come up to? Look at that. 69. Tie shit. Tie shit. Look at that. Boom. 369.1. Fuck, baby. What's good? All right. Look at that. Okay. This is safer. June 31st, strike 370. We're at 369 right now. Or shot up to 369. We're currently sitting at 366 right now. Okay. You want to do riskier? The 24th. Still 2 weeks out. Like, what are we talking about, dog? Still 2 weeks out. 375. And you already got up to 370 this morning. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I'm nice with this. Look at this. Right now, we're currently at this possible level, okay? I mean, this is just beautiful, okay? So, if we can mount here, I love it, okay? But expect rejection at 373, okay? I want a strong close right above 366. Give us a nice retest. We got weeks to play this one out, okay? So I love it. This is why I'm trying to educate y'all on the stuff that I use, the indicators, the data, everything that I'm looking at, okay? This is just textbook, okay? That's why I say, that's why I'm looking at, not drum. That's why I'm looking at the video. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Just got to give it some time. Let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Cool, calm, and collected makes us too sharp, too fast, too focused. Okay? So that's why I don't freak out. Follow the numbers. Okay? So Michigan consumer sentiment, that's what we're looking for. Okay? Oil on top of that. It's either struggling here or we're gonna see a drop. All right. This much time being spent at the 200 SMA, I do not like it. But still, nonetheless, we gotta give its flowers. All right. Right now, it's giving us a flag. Okay. I wouldn't even call it a flag. I just really call it more like a pennant, right? Like that's what you want. So I'm not gonna even lie, it's kind of even looking a little bullish, okay? But if we return back down here to the to that level of 77.47, then we break out, then we fall out of the pennant, formation is broken, and we'll come back down to the strong level of 76.68. From there, we lose that. We head back down to that critical level of 69.99. It's exactly what we want if you want to see the market continue to push. Okay. We want oil down. We want our treasuries down. We want VIX down. Okay. We want inflation down. We want consumer sentiment up. Okay. We want strong, solid numbers. Okay. And if the jobless claims tomorrow, it'd be nice if that was down as well too. Okay. So everything we just needed to cool down. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be cool. I know it's a hot boy summer. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a hot boy. Okay, but I'm loving what I see inside the market right now. Just gonna keep playing what we gotta play. And hey, baby, it is what it is. So let's do it. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on these posts, on everything as of right now. I'm gonna do some shopping. We'll go to the gym, get right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. Y'all have a beautiful day. You blessed mother. Adios, amigos.